we can learn the value of embracing each test as an opportunity. It's in these moments of struggle that we discover our true mettle, refine our skills, and unearth the fortitude that propels us forward. Introspection, the inner battles. As we journey deeper into the life of Miyamoto Musashi, it's evident that not all battles are fought with an external adversary. Some of the most challenging confrontations occur within, away from the world's eyes. After the exhilarating duels and outward tests of skill and character, Musashi sought a different kind of challenge, the test of introspection. His self-imposed exile was not an escape, but rather a courageous venture into the deepest realms of his mind and spirit. This period of solitude wasn't about isolation, but about self-discovery. It was during these times that Musashi grappled with his thoughts, reflected on his past, and contemplated the true essence of the way of the warrior. In the quietness of his retreat, away from the clang of swords and the cheers of spectators, Musashi confronted his inner demons. He faced doubts, reconciled with his past actions, and sought a deeper understanding of his purpose. It was a period of profound self-reflection, where the noise of the world faded, allowing the whispers of the soul to become audible. Just as Musashi found value in solitude, we too can benefit from moments of introspection.